Ruby Orjiakor sent me a message. Sorry, Destiny, I don't know what you're feeling like. Destiny, this industry we do. I don't know what you're feeling like. You do all your production since. You never for one day call Ruby, say, but you're gonna do me sister. That means you don't want my progress. You're calling other people. You bring people from Lagos, you do this, you do that. See, but I will call you for a job, you waste time. I wanted to use her for one production, and that was what she told me. Sis, I go come. Sis, paying money. My own colleague. Are you not supposed to at least say, oh, since my money is this amount, or let me remove this for you? You told me to pay you, that you're going to be on my set that morning. I paid you, Ruby. Did you come? I only told you. I told somebody that knows you, and they fear you, who you be. I know Sabi talk too much. I know Sabi, you don't make me, if you make me vex, now one slap, I go knock you for face. You go turn red. Not be too much talk. And it does not matter whether you senior me or not. I go slap better Chris come off for your body. You understand? So now, as an actor and my colleague, I gave you the respect. Oh, you've been there before me, blah blah blah. I called you, I paid you for a job. You did not remove 1 naira for me, Ruby. So I now told someone that is close to you, please go and tell your friend to refund my money. Refund my money since she's not available to shoot my film. It was very easy for you to send the account number. So it should be easy for you to say, oh, come on, Destiny, I am sending it back. You send my money. Yes, send my freaking money. You they cost 700,000 naira. What did you cost 700,000? 700,000 not be anything, Abi. Give me back the money I paid you. Ruby, you opened your mouth. Ruby, you opened your mouth to begin to spew nonsense. Because I said you should give me back my money. So I don't enter problem. Say, I say make I bring my colleague, make we take shoot film. You see why I don't have time for now? That is why I don't have time for you people down here. I don't. Because anything Destiny does, no. It's always a problem. Now they find my trouble, oh. But now, when he reach my own turn now, they be like saying I'm going to find trouble. Because I'm a very vocal person. I don't feel vest for person, carry on for mine. Bros, babe, if I vest for you, you go know. I'm not a pretender. And that is why when I find out the kind of person you are, I remove you from my life. Because I'm a realist. I'm a Leo. We will not take nonsense. Ruby, they mad. How many thousand copies did they sell? You the crazy? Now this morning, 9 person call the same message to me. Tell me say, Ruby, come to Facebook, they shout. Say, go deal with me.
Wonders they say shall never end, my people. Destiny Etiko don't come out. Publicly, they tell us, say, Ruby Orjiakor should refund her money because she called her for a job and Ruby Orjiakor no meet up, so she should refund. This matter waiting they happen. I be think say una be sisters. Una know they do am for Nollywood. Try, my people, this one pay me, I no go lie. Why Destiny Etiko and Ruby Orjiakor again? Guys, this is actually an old video. Nothing they happen between them. You know, once in a while you bring up matter for people to always know that internet never forget. So whenever you are doing something on the internet, no say internet doesn't forget. Remember, mouth we talk go prosper.